Hello friends, welcome to lesson 85 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. Let's start by preparing our left hand. We're going to place finger number 3 on string number 5, fret number 3, and finger number 1 on string number 2, fret number 1. Kind of like a C major chord shape without finger number 2. To prepare the right hand, we're going to place the thumb on string number 5, the index finger on string number 3, middle finger on string number 2, and the ring finger on string number 1. We lift the hand just a little bit, making sure that the tip of the fingers are very close to the strings. We're going to take this lesson 2 measures at a time. We begin by pressing with finger number 3 on the spot, string number 5, fret number 3, and we pluck strings 5 and 1 at the same time. Open third, finger 1 presses on string number 2, fret number 1. And then both fingers 1 and 3 are going to slide gently from the frets where they are, 1 fret higher. We pluck string number 5 and 1 again, string number 3, and string number 2. To go into measure number 2, we're going to bring finger number 1 from string number 2, fret number 2, to string number 1, fret number 1 as we remove finger 3. We pluck strings 4 and 1, string 3 and 2. As we bring finger 3 to string number 6, fret number 3, pluck it with the thumb, and continue with index and middle, strings 3 and 2. We keep finger 1 where we have it, and we start measure number 3 by plucking strings 4 and 1, open third, open second, and then we have to bring finger number 1 to string number 4, fret number 3, and finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 5. We pluck those two strings at the same time with thumb and ring finger, and then open third and open second. Then we're going to use finger number 4 as a guiding finger to go from fret number 5 to fret number 3, and we're going to add finger number 2 on string number 4, fret number 2. We pluck those two strings at the same time, open third, as we bring finger number 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, we pluck it with the middle finger, as we bring finger number 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, plucking it with the thumb, and then strings 3 and 2. We try to do all this while keeping the pressure with finger number 4 on string number 1, fret number 3 all throughout the measure. To play measure number 5, we're going to need a half bar with finger 1 on strings number 1, 2, and 3 in fret number 2. We're going to need finger number 2 on string number 1, fret number 3. We play strings 5 and 1, 3 and 2. As we bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 5, we pluck it with the ring finger, and then we play strings 3 and 2. Once again, we're going to use finger number 4 as a guiding finger, bringing it from fret number 5 to fret number 3. We pluck strings 4 and 1. As we bring finger 2 to string number 3, fret number 2, and finger 3 to string number 2, fret number 3. Then we remove finger 4 as we add finger 1 on string 1, fret 1, keeping fingers 2 and 3 where we have them because we need to play those notes right after. Then we're going to bring finger number 1 to string number 6, fret number 2, and we pluck strings 6 and 1 as an open string. Index plucks string number 4. As we bring finger number 2 to string number 3, fret number 2, and we pluck it with the middle finger. As we bring finger 4 to string number 2, fret number 3, we pluck it with the ring finger. Once again, open 4th with index, and then string number 3, once again on fret number 2 with the middle finger. Then we need to bring finger number 3 to string number 6, fret number 3, and finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1. We pluck those two strings at the same time with thumb and ring fingers. Index plucks string number 4 as open, finger 2 goes again to string number 3, fret number 2. We pluck that string with the middle finger, open 2nd with the ring finger. As we bring finger number 4 to string number 4, fret number 3, and finger number 1 to string number 3, fret number 1, removing finger 2. We pluck strings 4 and 3 at the same time with index and middle fingers. And then a pull off with finger number 1. Measures 9 and 10 are an exact repetition of measures 1 and 2. Measure 11 is an exact repetition of measure number 3. To go into measure 12, we're going to bring finger number 2 to string number 1, fret number 4. As we remove fingers 1 and 4, we pluck string number 6 and 1. As we bring finger number 1 to string number 3, fret number 4, we pluck it with the index finger. As we bring finger number 3 to string number 2, fret number 5, and we pluck it with the middle finger. We're going to keep those 3 fingers in the same spot throughout the measure. We continue with open 6, string number 3, and string number 2. We begin measure number 13 with finger number 1 on string number 1, fret number 5, and we pluck strings 4 and 1. As we bring finger number 3 to string number 3, fret number 7, and we pluck it with the index finger. As we bring finger number 2 to string number 2, fret number 6, and we pluck it with the middle finger. We're going to keep those 2 fingers there throughout the measure. We're going to add finger number 4 on string number 1, fret number 7, pluck it with the ring finger, strings 3 and 2, index and middle. Once again, we're going to use finger number 4 as a guiding finger, bringing it from fret number 7 to fret number 8 as we pluck string number 3 with the thumb. Immediately after that, we're going to use it again as a guiding finger from fret number 8 to fret number 3, and we pluck it with the middle finger. Finger 1 on string 1, fret 1 with index, open 1st with middle, string 2, fret 3, finger 3 with index finger, then finger 1 goes to string number 2, fret number 1, and we pluck it with the middle finger. Now we're going to use finger number 1 as a guiding finger from fret number 1 to fret number 3. And when we do this, we are going to bring finger number 2 to string number 4, fret number 4, and finger number 3 to string number 3, fret number 5. We're going to need to arrive to this position at the same time and pluck 4 strings, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then with that position on the left hand, we pluck string 3 with index, string 2 with middle finger, and we're going to go back. Using finger number 2 as a guiding finger, we are going to remove fingers 3 and 1. Then we use finger number 2 to go from fret number 4 to fret number 3 as we add finger 4 on string number 1, fret number 3. And once again, we pluck 4 strings at the same time, strings 4, 3, 2, and 1, string 3, string 2, and then finger 2 once again goes back 1 fret from fret 3 to fret number 2 as we remove finger 4, and we bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1. We pluck 3 strings at the same time with thumb, index, and middle, strings 4, 3, and 2. As we bring finger number 3 to string number 6, fret number 3, pluck it with the thumb. Again, with the thumb, string number 4 on fret number 2. as we bring finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, and we keep fingers 2 and 1 where we have them to complete a C major chord. We pluck 4 strings at the same time, strings 5, 4, 3, and 2. And there you have it, friends, lesson 85 from the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. As usual, in the description box down below you will find a link to a play-along video where you can practice this lesson with me at a slower tempo, and you will also find links to other resources to help you develop your guitar and musicianship skills. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and always, always, always remember to enjoy the process.